Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to find Binance Referral ID. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Binance application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or of course guys, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Binance. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom of the screen, we can see the markets, we can see the square, and we can see the buy, sell, convert, and deposit tab. Also, we can see the discover tab and the portfolio. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and find Binance Referral ID. So first of all, what you guys need to do is log into your, of course, Binance account, as I already told you, and click on go to the referral section, which is in the, when you click on the top left corner, and if you have it, as you can see, you have 6 options here. The option that you need to click on is the referral option, which is the fourth one out of all of these. Now when you're here, click on invite now to get your referral link. But just a second, we need to wait for it to go, and as you can see, we have the referral ID here, which you can go click on referral link, and we have the invite friends. And as you can see, how to trading fee rebate work, you can see everything here. You click OK, and that's how you can guys do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.